This is the thing that our world runs on, and this cryptocurrency is providing that, and it will be used in future for all the purposes related to energy. Hey everyone, my name is Sahil and this is Crypto Clarity, the channel where we talk all about blockchain and cryptocurrency. So if you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe and follow for more educational content like this one. So in today's video, I will be talking about Energy Web token, which is something that I feel has the chance to grow a lot in future, and even today it has risen by 10%. So you can watch this full video till the end if you want to know more about Energy Web token and where it has potential. So let's get right into it. Before we start, I had to come back to this and re-record this part of the video because this is something that came in when I was recording the previous part, and this is a huge news because BlackRock has come up with an article about how they are providing Bitcoin private trust, and Energy Web token is recommended in that as well. So this is a huge news because BlackRock, if you don't know about it, if you can search on YouTube or any other search engine, Google, it will show how big this company is, and this company is one of the biggest asset manager in the world, and it holds a lot of assets under its basket. Big companies, it has the software Aladdin, which is an AI software which tells government and institutions to do different kind of trading as well. So this is a huge win for Energy Web because they have been recommended into this publication that they did about Bitcoin and how it can help with green energy and renewable energy sources for Bitcoin mining. This is great because BlackRock is something that will only push the Energy Web token ecosystem further because it will have more eyeballs on it. Okay, so let's go and have a look at their coin market cap ratings, which is currently ranked at coin number 190, and it's on the watch list of around 70,000 people and currently trading at $4.24. So it's on 14th of August and right now is 9:23 p.m. in Australia. So this is something that has risen 10.62%, and you can see that it was trading a bit lower than that, like almost $2.60, and risen almost double the price on that right now. So if we go to their website, we can just even see it here. What is it about? And if you click here, you will see what is Energy Web token about. It says that it is the operational token behind the Energy Web chain, a blockchain based virtual machine designed to support and further application developments for the energy sector. So it is something that is a real world use case based on Energy Web chain, and obviously a lot of blockchains are interoperable, and this is interoperable with Ethereum as well. So you can see that Energy Web chain was launched in June 2019. It's a non-profit or enterprise behind the project, and EWT aims to bring diversity to the energy sector by allowing developers to create decentralized applications. And you can see Rocky Mountain Institute, which are the leading name in the research, and they're based in Canada. They're a really big one, Great Singularity. They are the ones behind this project. So something to look for because they have really experienced background in terms of their owners and founders. If you go and look at their website, it looks like this. And as you might have heard by now, in our future there will be a lot of companies coming for carbon zero and zero carbon economy. There will be a lot of things that will need to be changed because of the push that different governments are making and trying to make the energy system green. So you can see that this is something that will be used in those as well, and they already have big partnerships with companies. So we will look at those as well. You can see their website is really cool looking. Energy Web's mission is to accelerate decarbonization of global economy That means this is a real world use case, and right now you are seeing that push already in the traditional market. They are already working in Australian energy market as well, with the solar panel edge energy demand and generation exchange. So they have done that project with them, such as rooftop solar and batteries. So something that can be used in multiple things, even with cars, how they will be talking to each other with IoT and different applications. You can see that they have over 50 projects in 25 countries, 100 plus partners, and their network is all of these companies. If we click on that, there is their partners, big names. And if you are someone who are working in stock as well, and you are looking at energy companies, you would recognize some of these names because they are really famous one in the current energy market. So AEMO, as it was mentioned, it was the Australian energy market operators who are providing a big regulations in the space as well in Australia. AGL is another company that is doing energy services, and heaps of companies here that are related to energy. They are related with energy web token already, so they are using that in the backend. You can see NG, Eon, they have GE, which is General Electrics, Hitachi. So really big names. And even the biggest petrol company, I would say, is Shell here, which is something that makes me really bullish about it, because Shell is a company which has been in the petroleum space and energy space from ages, and it has that market for expanding. So this will be really good for this cryptocurrency and blockchain. Siemens is there as well, and yeah, you can see really big names: Total, Vodafone, Volkswagen Group, Wipro. So heaps of companies in there, even not non-profits as well. One of the biggest thing about them is that they are really innovative in this space, and they are trying to collaborate with big names like Volkswagen and Shell, who are trying to bring a different kind of economy which is zero carbon, and they are trying to leverage blockchain technology for it. So you can see that even on their Twitter page, you will see things related to Volkswagen Group, how they are trying to do renewable energy 24/7 via solar panels and other technology in electric vehicles as well. So you can see their Twitter following is pretty big. It's about 70k, 60k people as well, and they're based in Switzerland. So they are already doing this kind of technology from there, and also in countries like Australia, they have a big presence already, because Australia is big on solar panels and different electronic energy sector as well. So this is the reason they are a really big company and trying to resolve market which is has a lot of room for growth. So if you see this, the Volkswagen Group partners Energy Web, blockchain for electric vehicles powered by renewable energy. So this you can see that this is a big deal, because we are going to see a future with electric cars, and different energy sectors will be affected by it. And you can obviously bet on something that is being pushed by the governments and different policy makers in the world. And you can see what are the part of Volkswagen Group are different companies like Lamborghini, Bugatti, Bentley, Audi, Porsche, and all of these companies are part of this single group. So you can see they have different partnerships as well. If you are going to look at their other partnerships here, we have their case studies, which is e-mobility. And another big project that could be a possibility, and this project can be used in it, is making Bitcoin mining green. And that would be the biggest thing that could happen to this cryptocurrency, because if they are used in making Bitcoin mining green, then that would shoot this price of energy web token to, I don't know how many x's that would be, because this is something that everyone is talking about in the Bitcoin space, because they are trying to make it green, and the mining space is still a bit using a bit of old type of energy consumption, and that's why a lot of companies are saying that it's not green. Even though if a lot of companies don't know much about it, then they will go and push in this space as well. So if you see this green proof for BTC, we are proud to introduce green proof, a first of its kind initiative with one goal: to rapidly reduce carbon emission from Bitcoin mining. Leveraging Energy Web's work in the field of digital and self-sovereignty identity, and RMI's extensive work on electric decarbonization pathways, this initiative will bring to a market scalable, transparent platforms for certifying renewably powered miners and hosting companies. So this means that the miners who are using Bitcoin mining rigs and other equipments, they can have digital certificates related to their green proofs, and obviously if they are using different kind of energy sources like solar panels or anything else, they will be able to relate that and show it to the government and other organization who are requiring that documentation from them. So this is something huge that can be used, and I think Energy Web token has the potential to do it, and they are already in a chat with different regulation bodies and different sectors of this space. So you can have a look at that as well. And yeah, that is something that I would try to focus on in this video, because I would like to make more about their partnerships, but there are so many in their space already that you can keep on talking about them and it won't be enough. So this is something that I would try to continue more often, and you will see more videos about it, so that we can be up to date in this space. And even if you're going into stock market or any other space, I would prefer going into energy sector side, because this is a sector where government is trying to push a lot of money into. And if you see the policies that they are making about green energy and zero carbon emission, so that will be a huge sector of growth even in other asset classes as well. So you can have a look into this, and let me know in the comment section below if you like this sort of video, and if you would like to learn more about Energy Web, I can come up with more content about it and present to you over here. So thanks for watching this video. If you're trying to buy Energy Web token, I have the links below for Coinspot if you're in Australia, and other exchanges like Coinbase if you're overseas, then you can use those as well. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Thanks. Have a good one.